So let's easily make $100. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You don't have to break your head nowadays to make money online. It's very easy because of the tools we have, because of some websites and apps that we have. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in this video. Now, I'm not going to talk about ClickBank. I'm not going to talk about Fiverr. I'm not going to talk about Upwork. Nah, all of those websites are websites I'm sure you know of or you've heard about. I'm going to talk about one you've not heard about. A way you can make $100 easy that I'm very sure you've not heard about in 2025 and beyond. And this is a very big brand. And this brand pays. Can I assure you it pays? It pays money, and it pays money every single day. If you can do exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video step by step to the end. This is Cash by Titas. All we do here is make you money. If you're serious about making money, then this is the channel for you. Subscribe, click on the bell button, like the video if it makes sense, share the video with anybody you think it might help. And as we go on, if there's some things you don't understand, some things are not clear, feel free to go to the comment section and ask your questions. I'm going to leave some link in the comment section that will be very useful to you so that you could start making money ASAP. Now let's jump into it. What are some of these websites, or one website that can make you money $100 every single day? And it's very easy. It's a side hustle that you can do any time of the day. And the website we're checking now is simply called ClickWorker. Now, I'm not going to go too much into this one. It's because it's a bit techy. So if you're a tech guru, maybe you are a nerd like myself, you could use this website to make money. You could use ClickWorker to make money. All you need to do is come on here, click on earn money as a ClickWorker, and you come here and see everything you need to do. Make money from anywhere, anytime, at your convenience. People are happier if they're more financially independent. And I'm sure that's exactly what you want to do. You want to make money on the side, like I do every single time. You know, in this channel, I show you how much I make every single month, every single week. I won't be showing you that in this video, so I don't intimidate you. All right. I want you to know that you can make money as much as I am, because I'm a nobody. I'm a simple and average guy like yourself who wants to make more money and have financial freedom. And that's why I'm sharing everything I know so that you too can be like me or even better than me as you move forward. So this is the website, ClickWorker. You come down here, you could sign up, all right, and then start working. But let's go through so you see what you're going to get yourself into. You are important to them. Like they say, you're part of a community and you work and shape their future, shape your own future too, all right? High-end technology. They have very good state-of-the-art technology that is guaranteed to help you make money online. So what you simply do is come on here and click on sign up here. When you click on sign up, it's going to take you to another page where you can simply just register. And this is exactly what you need to do to register. Everything is here. All right, just come on here and register. Don't worry, it's not really hard to register. I'm not going to register in this video. I don't want it to be too long, and I have a ClickWorker account. It makes no sense to start registering, but let's just go through it and see what you need to do. Your gender, obviously, what gender are you? Are you male, female, or non-binary? You have some people who are neither male or female nowadays, so pick that the one. Or if you prefer not to say it, just go ahead. Then the title, put in your title that you think is applicable to you. Your first name, middle name, last name, username, email, password, confirm password, and continue to go on. This is the continue button here. Once you're done with everything, you click there on to go on. But if you already have an account, just simply come here and sign up. So this is a very good website that you can use to make money, and they give you tasks, there are things you could do, data entry, and all of that. But this is not the website I really want to show you. Watch video to the end, and I'm going to show you the exact website I'm talking about. That is a very popular brand. And the website I'm talking about is this one called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is more like Fiverr and the rest of them, but what you do here mainly is like data entry and all of that. You could simply make money with this particular website. It's obviously owned by Amazon. Amazon has a lot of product out there, you know, so but this is one of them that can make you money. All right, and it's quite simple. It's a simple side hustle. Simply putting in data entry. Putting in data. So if you are into data entry and you like those kind of gigs, then this is the website for you. All you simply to do, just click on get started here, and then you could click create tasks or make money. You're more intelligent through an API or make money in your spare time. This is where you need to click, guys. This one here. Please, guys, if I'm very fast, please watch this video again and again because I can talk very fast sometimes. All right, because I'm excited. You know, I want to show you this. You know, I'm very happy. Anyways, so you simply come on here and click on request a worker account. So when you click on request a worker account, you come here, you put in your phone number, you put in all your email, and then you proceed. So I'm just going to put in, so you just see how it works, put in this email and you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you cannot find an account with this email, so it means you cannot sign in. That's the sign in page. What you need to do is here. This is where you need to come here. So please don't make that mistake. Don't click on the first, don't fill in the first item because it's telling you here to sign up. I decided to go that route so you see exactly what not to do. So you simply come on here, click on create your Amazon account. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to put in your name, your name, first name and last name, your email, password, and you enter the password. Now, if I put in, let's say I put in my email, let's say I put in Christine, put in email, I put in this email and password. I allow them to give a password for me, then create your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you can go ahead and proceed with it. So now they send me an OTP code. I need to put in the OTP code inside of here, and then I'll be able to proceed with this. So let me just put in the OTP code in a bit. I already have it sent to me. All right. I'm not going to go through what this website does completely because this is not a complete tutorial for that. It's just to introduce you to it. All right. So this is the OTP code. Okay. So this is it. You click on create an Amazon account. For some reason, cannot verify. Maybe I took too long to do that. Okay. Let me put it again. OTP code again. Maybe I put in the wrong one. So I need to request another one again since that one is already expired. Okay, so I need to ask for them to resend it to me. But basically, this is what it does, guys. When you go forward, okay, after putting your OTP, it's going to ask you some other questions. Now, this particular platform is usually more effective for those in top tier countries. And if you're in top tier countries, then by all means, go ahead to use this. If you're not in top tier countries, put on your VPN. Sometimes this particular website can be very tricky if you are in developing countries like Ghana, Nigeria, and other African or developing lands. So just simply put on your VPN. If you don't know what VPN to use, you could use this one that I use here. It's called Windscribe. Very cheap. With Windscribe, you could spend about $2 and have a VPN that works. So these are locations, several locations. I can pick from any of these locations if I want to. But again, I don't want this video to be too long. I know some of you are very busy. You want something you can just watch immediately and give a spin. This website is a great one, guys, because owned by Amazon. So think of it. A website that is owned by Amazon. Don't you think, they would really be doing a good job? I think they will. All right. Amazon is a big brand. Okay. So, but if you already have an Amazon account, it's easy for you to opt in for the Amazon Mechanical Turk. It's very easy because you need to be. So if you have an Amazon associate account, it's quite easy for you to get started. But this is a very good way to make $100 per day. You could start taking some of those tasks. So let me go back and go back and go back again, keep going back. All right, go back again, go back. So you see, now let's see exactly what you do. These are the benefits. So you come here, you see, this is where I want to read that. Reduce costs. Offers a way to effectively manage labor and overhead costs, with hiring and managing a temporary workforce. So what they are doing is they're giving out workforce to people who are looking for people to work for them. And if you have the spare time or you want to work with them, you could simply jump on this, come on here, register. Please take your time to register. Whatever information you are imputing here, make sure it's the right information, because when you want to get paid, the payment we made to an account that carries your name, your actual name. So if your name is Jane Doe or John Doe, make sure you put John Doe or Jane Doe. Don't sign up using nicknames or aliases, because if you do that, you have problem in receiving your pay. Now, if you come on here and click on pricing, I'm going to show you something a bit. There's a pricing up here. If you click on it, you see the reward. You decide how much you get paid. So you see, this is what I wanted to see, how much you get paid. Or like some other websites, where sometimes when it comes to tasks like this, they condition you, but you decide how much you get paid using this. The fee for this, 20% fee on the reward and bonus amount, if any. Amount you pay workers. These are for those who are paying you. All right. So you scroll down, master qualification. There's an additional fee for using master qualification. If you want to find out what this is, you can click on it to read. There's other qualifications. Okay. So you get paid. The price you pay for human intelligence is comprised of two. Don't worry your head about all of this, okay? Don't worry about your head about all of this. What you need to know is that you control this, the payments, and of course, Amazon makes money not from you, but from those who are paying you, right? So people who are paying you are the ones paying 20%. So if you are charging $200, the person will pay 20% of $200 to Amazon, and you pocket the rest. So this is the site you can use $100. Obviously, I cannot in this video show you every single thing about this Amazon Mechanical Turk, but you can go check it out yourself Or if you want me to make a video using my own account, showing you my account, what I have done, how I've done it, let me know. I'm going to show you exactly how that happens, how you can make $100, passively. So, but you need to let me know in the comment section on like the video so that I know that you want me to make this video. These videos, they take time, right? And I would not want to make a video that you don't want. So if you want to have a detailed video on how you can sign up on Amazon Mechanical Turk, how you can use them immediately or ASAP, let me know in the comment section. I'll make that video just for you because I want you to keep making money. And guys, I want you to also understand that to make money is easy, but it needs some level of commitment, meaning you have to be committed to the process. You don't come on here, sign up, and leave it and think you're going to make money. No, you have to be committed. You have to understand the platform. You have to come here as frequently as possible, do your research, watch videos, read about it, go to their about us, understand how this platform works. If you don't spend time in these things, you will not know how it works. You will not make money from it. You only make money from things like this if you are determined, if you are patient, if you are consistent, then you understand how everything works. Hope this was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, right, to show me some love, and share this with anybody who thinks might help. Now, if you're really, really serious about making some real good cash, not $100, but make a whole lot of money, like $10,000, I recommend you watch this next video that pops on your screen. And this video shows you exactly what you need to do step by step and how to get that cash. That's what we're all about. This is Cash by Titas. Thank you for watching the video to this point, and I hope to see you in this video I talked about. Cheers and have a nice one.